Hey guys, thanks for coming back. Okay, so as I said before, we're gonna be stuffing them and putting them in the oven again like for 10 minutes. So what I did was I already wrapped my hand, as you can see. You open them, I put a little bit of salt and just a little tiny bit like this, guys, see? Of pepper, right?
That's right.
And then Michael's gonna eat the jalapenos.
Yes.
And I'm gonna have the peppers.
Yes.
So we're only gonna put cheese on this. And then we're gonna put like this, like 2 or 3 pieces like that of eggs for Michael with some bacon, right, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
And we're gonna put some more eggs over here like that.
Look at that, look at that.
You know,
It's
I'm
like
not gonna
a
put in a
boat.
lot of eggs so they're skinny. These are skinny, you know, and his respective bacon, he likes it. You want a little tomato, Michael, in there or no?
Yeah, put a little tomato, put a little tomato. A tomato.
One, wait. 2, and just a little bit because I cut the tomatoes for me, okay? So, and then we're gonna put a little bit more of cheese, guys, like that on the top. See, look how pretty that looks already. Michael, can you move back a little bit?
All right,
Because
back
you're
it
stressing
up,
me
back
out.
it up.
Okay, this is my burn hand, guys, so don't pay attention to my burn hand. It is what it is. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take
What you
the
doing?
lid
Oh.
and with the bottom.
that why you kept it?
Yeah, with the toothpicks, of course.
I didn't know.
Teddy, get out of there. What did Teddy ate, Mike? And with
you
the
ate something.
toothpicks, I'm just gonna, you know,
So it holds it all in
hold them
place.
together, of course, because I had to cut him and clean him. Oh, and I didn't tell you guys how to clean him, right? So what you do is you take the, come over here, Michael. You take it, you cut it right in the middle, take the top off, and then with a spoon, you scrape the inside, this part here. That the pepper also, you scrape it out, and then that's it. Okay, so now, this one is ready. We're gonna put it in there, because these are gonna go in the oven for like 10 minutes, that's it, at 350. And then this is the other one here. So I'm gonna put the top on it. And we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna hold it. I'm gonna hold it like this. Sorry guys, I know. But it is what it is. Right, Mike? Gotta hold it, and here we go. And then in like 5-10 minutes, we take them out. Hold on a second. Now let's do mine. Because mine are gonna be easy to do because they're your tops. I don't have to cover them with anything, you know? So this one is, like I said before, it's shorter because this one was going bad. A little bit of the pepper. So what I did was, I don't like, look, Michael, a little bit of bacon on top of yours like that. You know you like that?
Oh, yeah.
And then tomatoes. I don't like the cheese on it. Actually, I can't be eating cheese. It's not good for me. And then those little tiny pieces, I'm probably going to like hit them up. See? I burned my hand. You know? I'll probably show you later, guys. Or tomorrow. So now, guys.
Those are beautiful.
I know. We're going to put that in the oven.
Hold on.
Those were them 2 pepper remember that I had left. And I don't like throwing my stuff away.
Not at
I
all.
like to try to make something out of it.
Yes.
And then eat it.
That's right.
So now, hold on, Mike.
Want to know how good this is, guys and gals? Look, dogs are here.
Okay. So we're going to go back in the oven on 350 for 10 minutes. And we'll be right back. Don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. Sorry I'm not looking at the camera, but I was trying to put the oven back on 350. Today I told Michael I have a green pepper left in the fridge, and I have 2 jalapenos. They don't look too good, but I told him let's take some of them and we're gonna stuff them with cheese, with tomato, with bacon, and with eggs. I already put this 1 pepper, as you can see. I roasted it in the oven, and these 2 jalapenos, I roasted them. I took all the seeds out. I'm only using one hand because if you can see, that hand is fine. Or if you come over here, I burned my hand by being dumb. I went in and touched this because I had the peppers. This is where I roasted them in the oven. You see this brush? Put a little bit of olive oil, and I just rub it on the peppers here, on the hot peppers, on the jalapeno, and on that regular 1 pepper that I had left, so I can make this recipe for you guys. And when the thing was done, I took it out of the oven and I burned my hand. I already put it in ice. As you can see, I have a Red Bull here with a lot of water. I'm laughing because I have burned myself before, and I big a big jar of Vaseline that you probably can see from over there. I have it over there on the counter on the breakfast nook that we have. I just put it there for now. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna wrap my hand, guys, and then I'm gonna stuff these 2 jalapenos. Michael, come again and let's go through this again. And you can see I cut them in the middle, and the top is over here. So after I stuff them, I'm gonna put it back. I'm gonna hold it with a couple of toothpicks that I have here. But I'm gonna put a little bit of cheese in the bottom. Here's the cheese, a little bit of cheese, a little bit of egg, a little bit of bacon, a little bit of tomatoes. I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna pin it. Then
Oh,
go
looks
back in
so
the oven
good.
for 10 minutes. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with this one green pepper that I have that's roasted from the oven. This one I cut the top off because it was a little bit bad. But you know how
You can always save your peppers.
You can save and try to eat the good part. You don't have to throw the whole pepper out. It just had a little tiny hole. So I cut it, hey, and save the rest. And I'm gonna do the same thing with those. But like I said before, I'm gonna go wrap my hand, and I'll see you right back. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll be back in 2 minutes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beep, beep, beep. That 3 beep, guys, and here we go.
Careful, Mom, don't burn yourself.
I know. I'm not gonna burn myself. I just held that by mistake. I don't know why I did that, but I did. So here we are, guys. See? I'm gonna put them up here.
Wow.
See? And they're bacon, egg, and cheese jalapenos. And these are bacon, tomato, bacon, egg, and tomato, green peppers, and these are bacon, egg, and cheese jalapeno. Exactly. So there. So bacon, egg, and cheese jalapenos, and bacon, egg, and tomato, green peppers. So I'm gonna take one of these out. I'm gonna put them over there. I'm gonna take a piece. I'm gonna start eating them. And with that, I want to let you guys know. Thanks for watching and being so patient with me and my channel. Let's take this big one. I'm gonna take this one because this one is supposed to be, right, guys?
Oh, yeah.
Like it's supposed to come out. Hold on, Mike. Now I gotta cut. You take your knife of your choice.
It smells really good.
Yeah, so it's kind of like a vegetarian breakfast dish, guys. You can use chicken on these. I will be making some color ones, like red ones, with chicken. I know how to make these ones that you stuff them with ground beef and they with tomato sauce in there, right, Michael?
Oh, yeah.
And they come out so good, let me tell you. And pepper, when you're eating a pepper, it's like you're drinking water because that's all they have.
How's that taste?
Very good. And you see how you see how I'm eating, guys? Michael, look. You see how I cut it up? I'm gonna take a little bit of hot sauce. That's right.
Hot sauce.
Whatever hot sauce of your choice. This is hot sauce, and in Spanish, salsa picante. Oh, just I like that. And with that, Michael, you're gonna eat one of your jalapeno?
Oh, yeah.
With that, guys, I'm going to tell you not to forget to subscribe on Instagram, on Twitter. Follow us on Facebook, Google+, Pinterest. What is the name of that one? I keep on forgetting.
Tumblr.
I keep on forgetting Tumblr. I don't know why, but I do. But anyway,
Almost
this
200
is
followers
delicious,
on
guys.
Tumblr.
This is really good. And with that, I'm going to let you guys go. Michael, take it from there and let everybody know. And later, I'm going to be showing you guys a clip of Michael eating his jalapeno, bacon, egg, and cheese jalapeno. Okay?
That's right.
I'm going to take it from there.
Well, love you all. Make sure to click that like button.
Definitely got to put...
Ingredients in the description down below.
Definitely you got to put hot sauce on it.
Put hot sauce.
And don't ask me how I'm moving my hand.
And don't burn your guys'
I'm
hands
used
if
to-
you're
yeah.
cooking this dish. Don't burn yourself.
Don't want to burn yourself.
Be safe when you're cooking in the kitchen. And be professional.
Look at the guys, Michael. Did you show them today?
And here are the doggies. Yeah, I showed Teddy. There's Ginger.
Well, I'm going to tell you why the hot sauce is the best, Michael. You got to have the hot sauce on it. It makes a big difference, let me tell you. I'm going to finish this. Love you guys. See you tomorrow for another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. Thanks for watching. And be careful. Don't drink and drive. Hey guys, so thanks for coming back. This is Michael eating that bacon, egg, and cheese jalapeno pepper that I made. And what do you think about it? He already ate one. Look at the dish over there. He ate all that. Or you can see like a crumb of bacon and then he's going for it. Hold on, let me hold that for you with my fingers over here. There he goes. And how is that thing, Michael? Turn it sideways so people can see it. That's the lid of it. You can see
It's
it
too
right
good,
there.
guys.
See, you cut it. He said
I wasn't
he loves
expecting
it.
to taste this good because I'm usually not into vegetables, but this is delicious.
It's how's the heat of the jalapeno, Mike?
Perfect. It's not too hot.
It's not so hot. Well,
No,
my
it's
kids like to
hot,
eat hot
but
stuff.
it's not so hot to where you can't eat it.
Yeah, sorry guys, I burpy there, but I didn't mean to. But that sounds very good. So anyway, guys, I just wanted you guys to see him wash him. You know, there you go. That's the lid of the Halley, and he loves it, and I hope everybody loves it. And with that, we'll let you go. Thanks for watching. Don't drink and drive, and have a great day.